up guys, welcome back. So today, as you can see, we got the front bumper off. We'll be fitting the lip and the headlights. In the previous video I said I wanted the Mk3 lip. Unfortunately I couldn't get that, probably due to lockdown, so I had to settle for the 16 valve from the Mk2. It's not too bad, but I would have liked the Mk3 lip anyway. That's all I could get, so we're fitting that today. The plan of action would be to screw or drill some holes into the lip, and then also just use those holes on the lip to mark the bumper, and then from there we'll just screw some screws up into speed clips. I think that's what it's called. So yeah, that would be the plan of action, the first thing that we're going to do. So let's get into it. Okay, so I managed to get it nice and flush. Obviously it being a Mk2 lip, it's a bit more longer on each end, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of this masking tape, and I'm just going to tape off the sides, so it's going to give me a straight line, and then I'm going to use a grinder to grind it off, and then I'm also going to use a fine piece of sandpaper just to finish it off, give it a nice smooth clean finish. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, but just before I put the bumper back, I'm going to change the headlights. It's extremely easy to change the headlights, literally just 4 screws. So I'm going to screw that out, screw the others in, and then I'm going to assemble everything and put everything back together. So like I mentioned previously about aftermarket parts, you're always going to run into issues, and that's what happened now. So it doesn't fit flush, the headlight. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a grinder and then just cut a piece away of the frame where the bracket of the headlight fits in, and then after that everything should fit perfect. I'm going to put the 4 screws back, and then you can assemble the rest of the car. Pretty happy with the way it turned out. My dad just gave it a quick engine clean, so yeah, I'm quite happy. I'm just gonna give it a quick wash, and then I'll show you how everything turned out. So yeah, stay tuned. Next week I'm gonna tackle the back. I've already got the spoiler, just waiting for the rear tail lights. Once I get that, and then we can install that. Also, I didn't do the mud flaps yet. I'll do that a bit later on when I get extra time, but for now that's what we got. I'm gonna give it a clean, and then I'll show you how she turns out. Peace.